Hey everyone, across the multiverse here. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the most broken Superman in all of DC's history, which is Superboy Prime. This Superman is crazy. Like this guy is straight up weird, and he is probably my best and most favorite version of Superman. I mean, obviously the base Superman, like the Superman Prime. I not mean Superman Prime 1 million or 1 million or the other one. I mean Superman, the one we love and follow. Basically, the main continuity Superman. Obviously, he is number one well because he is the Superman. But this guy is basically my most second favorite Superman. I like him more than Cosmic Armor Superman, and that says a lot because Cosmic Armor Superman is also one of my all-time favorite Superman. He is number three. So why is he so favorite of mine? Because this guy is amazing. His storylines and his whole thing is so unique. He's basically amazing and meta. He's basically a meta character. Now I will discuss why he is so strong. First of all, I will tell you one thing. Superboy Prime's strength ranges from planetary, like he is planet level to a level where you think one of the strongest being exists. And I will explain why. I am not going to mention his tier right now because that will happen at the end. But you can know he is like one of the strongest being in all of DC. So let's start first talk about some of his feats. So one of his feats is that planet relocation. He casually shifted the planet Ran into Thanagar's orbit, causing interstellar war. Innate no enchantments. Like that was through his innate strength. He didn't really borrow any power. He's one of the biggest thing is reality altering punches. This guy can basically punch and alter reality of all of DC's comics, not just comic universe or something like that. DC comics. I will explain how. He basically punched through a dimensional wall and rewrote multiversal history. He basically resurrected Jason Todd, the guy that died against Joker. We all know that Red Hood basically. This guy is the reason why Jason Todd Red Hood was resurrected. Yeah. So basically, he punched and changed history to the point Jason Todd got resurrected. Yeah, the whole point of the whole thing where he got resurrected and tried to kill Joker and others. So that happened because Superboy Prime punched. You know how, like how do I even? I don't even know how to like mention or how to scale this. Like what do we call it? There's such a big feat, such a unique. This is a meta feat itself. So this guy can like alter history just by punching. Another thing is that Anti-Monitor dismantling ripped apart the weakened Anti-Monitor's armor and hurled his energy form to the universe edge. This guy basically punched through and basically destroyed the armor of Anti-Monitor. Now who is Anti-Monitor? Anti-Monitor is one of the strongest being in all of DC, and he's like that guy who basically started and did the whole infinite, like the whole war on infinite universes basically. So this guy is High Outer Versal himself. So this guy, a weakened High Outer Versal character, was like ripped apart by him by Superboy Prime. No, this is not even like the best feat of him. We have better feats for him, and I will discuss in future. Like once I'm discussed with the basic feat, then I will explain why he's so strong. He basically killed multiple Titans, Teen Titans with casual strike, shattering their bodies mid-air. Now, in terms of durability, this guy is insanely durable. I think this guy is straight away invincible. Like he can't be killed, he can't be do anything. Like you can kill him and he will resurrect and somehow come back. Basically, this guy is weird as hell. I will explain how in future. Like just after in my like he basically fought against one of the strongest being in all of DC, and I will talk about his biggest feats, all of his strength, durability, and all of the stuff in that just right now. So basically, he did the Guardian explosion. He tanked a full Guardian of the Universe cell detonation point blank, emerging with only scratches while observing the on energy. He basically also survived the Mongols galaxy bursting World War explosion. He also like no so direct magical blast from 30th century social Moldru, who rivals Superman in power. He also like endured prolonged exposure to Krypton's red sun raw while fighting two Superman only temporarily depowered. He like fought two Superman and he was still only temporarily powered. In terms of speed, this guy is insane. He's immeasurable. There is no there is no question about it. He outsped and outreacted three Flashes, Wally West, Jay Garrick and Bart Allen. Now we all know that Jay Garrick was the first Flash. Wally West is like I'm not sure but he was the one. Wally West is like the fastest Flash in all of DC. After Barry Allen, no, after Barry Allen, he came after Barry Allen, but he's actually like the fastest Flash in all of DC's history. And Bart Allen, who is basically the grandson of Barry Allen. He did this simultaneously. Like he did all of these. He outsped and outreacted all three Flashes simultaneously, tagging them before they could counter. He basically escaped the Phantom Zone, burst out of the Phantom Zone, Infinite Void in seconds. Infinite Void. So this guy basically burst out of infinite distance. So that makes him immeasurable to infinite to immeasurable in seconds, crossing interdimensional barriers. So he can even cross dimensional barriers. He flew from Earth to Oa in moments, evading Green Lantern pursuit. He basically shattered the Speed Force itself with Speed Force is high outer reversal. That whole thing is high outer reversal, and he basically shattered by escaping disrupting universal time flow. He was basically put down there, and he destroyed and not destroyed, like he disturbed it, and he basically shattered it, and he came out of it. Another thing is basically the biggest thing about his are his hacks include retcon punches, and I mentioned dimensional travel. He casually punched portals between universal dimension innate but enhanced by paradise dimension exposure. Now he is immune to kryptonite. Like kryptonite does not work because kryptonite and magic does not work him because in his world, I think Krypton planet was absorbed by sun, and magic does not exist. Well, because in our world magic does not exist, as far as like that's the belief. And obviously you can like be a conspiracy theorist, whatever you want to be, but right now it's not poor. So he also like time manipulation resistance. He exists outside of time, so he also has like time manipulation resistance. He broke Primo's Speed Force temporal prison affected by time warping. You know, in Speed Force time warp. And another thing, now we will going to like scale him. And here is the thing: this guy fought Darkest Knight. That one Darkest Knight who had the power of Dr. Manhattan and who defeated Perpetua, one of the hands, like the one who resides in Overworld, the one who basically created all of DC's history, stories, everything. This guy went equal footing on the character who is like high outer reversal with story level powers. And this guy didn't even like lose. This guy beat up Darkest Knight so bad, he punched him to the point his 52 universes that he created, all of the universes that were infinitely in timeline, size, and everything, got destroyed by his one punch. Like he one punch those 52 universes, so hyperversal punch. That was a hyperversal punch. And he damaged Darkest Knight, who was high outer versal above Perpetua's level, who is a member of the Hands, who are basically reside in the Overworld. And Overworld is the place where all of DC's history, comics, and basically Overworld is the place of in the canvas where comics are drawn of DC. So a comic level character was punched by him, and he was going equal footing, and he didn't even like lose to him. He punched and destroyed all of this world, and because of that he died. So this guy died while fighting and high outer versal character, and he damaged and destroyed a part of high outer versal character. So that this makes him high outer versal with immeasurable speed. And this guy is straight up one of the strongest being in all of DC. Like I think he is equal to Darkest Knight. Now you might think like why is he equal to Darkest Knight? He is above Dr. Manhattan. He's above like Perpetua. I mean not Perpetua, because Perpetua might, I mean maybe depends upon how you scale Darkest Knight and how you scale. Even though he died, but still one of the biggest thing is that he didn't even die. He like died and he went back to his comic. And the funniest thing is that this guy punched Darkest Knight, died, and the next page, next panel of the comics is him reading himself dying, and he's like, wait, I am back in my world. Yeah, that's how broken this guy is. This guy can literally read a comic where he is taking a part. This guy is broken. He is easily one of the strongest being in all of fiction. And this guy is, I think, I mean, considering that he went toe to toe with Darkest Knight, and Darkest Knight himself admitted he can't kill him. That means this guy is invincible to the point even a high outer versal character is accepting he can't kill him. So an high outer versal character can't kill this guy. That's how strong this guy is. Superman
and even then
Prime.
he didn't even
I
lose.
not mean
He
Superman
actually
Prime
kind
1
of
million
won the
was
fight,
1
considering that
million or the other
he
one.
was
I
the
mean
only one that
Superman, the
he
one we
destroyed the every
love
words.
and
He
follow.
destroyed the
Basically,
universes.
the main
Darkest Knight
continuity
created.
Superman.
He weakened Darkest
Obviously, he
Knight
is
to the
number
point
one well because
he
he
was
is the
able,
Superman.
and he is
But
the
this
reason
guy is
Darkest Knight
basically my
lost. He
most
basically
second favorite
weakened Darkest
Superman.
Knight
I
to the
like
point.
him more than
He
Cosmic Armor Superman,
to the
and that
point
says a lot
where
because
Wonder
Cosmic
Woman
Armor
could defeat
Superman
him.
is
So this
also one of
guy
my all-time
went
favorite
toe to
Superman.
toe
He
with
is
that
number 3.
high out reversal
So
character,
why is he
defeated
so
him,
favorite of
kind
mine?
of
Because this guy is
died, but didn't
amazing. His
even die
storylines
because
and his
because
whole
of
thing
Darkest
is
Knight. Like
so
Darkest Knight
unique.
didn't kill
He's
him. He
basically
punch
amazing
himself killed
and
him. Basically, he
meta.
killed
He's
himself.
basically a meta character. Now I will
This
discuss
is,
why he is
I
so
can't
strong.
even
First of all,
explain
I will
how
tell you one thing.
strong this guy is. This
Superboy
guy
Prime
basically
strength ranges from
died while fighting
planetary,
a
like
high
he
auto
is
reversal
planet
character,
level
and
2
that high auto reversal
11,
character
where
didn't
you
even kill
think
him. He
one of
died
the
himself,
strongest being is
and he
this.
didn't even die. He like
And
came
I
back
will
to his
explain
comic and
why.
he exists, and
I
he
am not going
basically
to mention his
came
story
back
right now because
again.
that will
So he
happen
could
at
have
the
like
end.
tried to fight
But you
Darkest
can know
Knight
he is like
Mountain.
one of the
I
strongest
think
being ever
Darkest Knight
according to
said he
Sam.
can't kill him.
In this
That means this
video,
guy
we
is
are going
straight
to
up
discuss about one
invincible,
of the
and he
most
is
broken
equal or stronger
Superman in
than
all
Darkest
of
Knight
DC
himself. So
history,
this
which
guy is
is
straight up
Superboy
high
Prime.
auto reversal
This
with
Superman is
immeasurable
crazy.
speed
Like
and
this guy
immeasurable
is
strength
straight up
and
weird,
immeasurable
and he
basically
is
everything. This
probably
guy
my
is
best
straight up
my
broken. This
best
guy is
and
the
most
only
favorite
character I
version of
think
Superman. I mean,
that can
obviously the
stand
best
chance against
Superman like
Cosmic
the
Armor Superman.
Superman
So yeah,
Prime.
how strong is
I
he?
not mean
He is
Superman
basically
Prime
one of
1
the
million
strongest
or
being in all of
1
DC.
million or the other
And
one. I
if
mean
he goes against Marvel,
Superman,
like
the one
imagine
we
this guy goes
love and follow.
into the
Basically,
Marvel,
the
like the
main
Marvel comic, he
continuity
will
Superman.
destroy everything to
Obviously,
be
he is
honest.
number
I
one
mean,
well
considering
because
that
he
even
is
a
the
high auto
Superman.
reversal character can't
But this
kill
guy
him,
is basically
and
my
the only way
most
he even
second
fought
favorite
was because
Superman. I
he
like
himself
him
died.
more
Like he
than
himself
Cosmic
killed
Armor
himself, and he
Superman,
even then
and
he
that
came back.
says a lot
So
because
at worst,
Cosmic Armor
it happened
Superman
with that
is
unless
also one
one
of my
above all
all-time
like
favorite
interfere,
Superman. He is
then
number 3.
he kills them.
So
Any other
why
character will
is
try
he
to kill him, and
so
even though
favorite of mine? Because
he
this
will
guy is
probably don't die,
amazing.
he
His
will just murder
storylines
them.
and his
And even if he
whole
would
thing
die,
is
he will
so
probably just come
unique.
back to his
He's
comics,
basically
and
amazing
that's
and
it. So yeah, this
meta.
guy
He's
is fucking
basically a
strong,
meta
and this
character.
guy is
Now
easily
I
one of
will
the
discuss why
highest
he is so strong. First of
like
all, I will
rated
tell you
character in
one
all
thing.
of DC, and he's one of the
Superboy
strongest being in
Prime
all of
strength
DC. So
ranges
yeah,
from
what is tier? His tier is
planetary,
high auto reversal
like
with
he is
immediate speed,
planet level
and he's
2
one of the strongest being in all
11,
of
where
DC.
you think
So yeah,
one
if
of
you
the
like this
strongest
video, please
being
make
is
sure to
this.
subscribe my channel and hit the bell
And I
icon,
will explain
and let me
why.
know what type of
I am
video
not
you
going to
want me to
mention his
make next.
story
I
right
will
now
see you in
because
the
that
next
will
video. Bye
happen at
bye.
the end.